Cost-benefit analysis, or CBA, is a method used to evaluate a project or investment by comparing its cost to its benefits. It's a systematic approach to comparing the cost and benefits of an investment or project over a specified period of time. The goal of CBA is to determine whether the benefits of a project outweigh its cost and whether it is financially viable. CBA is calculated by first identifying all the costs and benefits associated with a project over a specified period of time, typically the lifetime of a project. Then the cost is subtracted from the benefits and the result is the net benefit of the project. In your exam, you may get a question like, a company is considering investing in a new project that requires an initial investment of $50,000. The project is expected to generate benefits of $280,000 over the course of 5 years. The project is expected to incur cost over the course of 5 years. Conduct cost-benefit analysis with the help of a table. The table is also mentioned on the slide. To calculate the net benefit, we subtract the total cost from the total benefits, 280,000 minus 145,000 and minus 50,000, which gives you 85,000, which means that the project is worth 85,000 and that would be in profit. It would outweigh the cost. It's important to note that CBA is a flexible method that allows for the consideration of both quantitative and qualitative factors. This means that in addition to financial costs and benefits, CBA can also consider non-monetary factors such as social, environmental, and strategic benefits and costs. Additionally, CBA also allows for the consideration of time value of money by adjusting the cost and benefits to their present value. This way allows for a more accurate comparison of the costs and benefits of the project over time. See you in the next lecture.